Hello and welcome back to Meditation Eye, your trusted source for all things meditation. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. Today, we're continuing our journey into the realm of mental health, focusing on mindfulness meditation. This is the second video in our Meditation for Mental Health, Healing and Wellness playlist, and we're thrilled to have you with us. Mindfulness is the basic human ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we're doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. It's a natural quality that we all possess, and it's more readily available to us when we practice it regularly. Mindfulness meditation is a practice that involves focusing your mind on your experiences in the present moment. It can be as simple as focusing on your breath, or you can choose to focus on the sounds around you, the sensations in your body, or the thoughts and emotions that arise. So, how does mindfulness meditation help with mental health? When we practice mindfulness, we're training our brain to be more focused and less reactive. We learn to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, which can help us better manage stress, anxiety, and depression. Research has shown that mindfulness meditation can have a significant impact on our mental health. It can reduce symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression, improve attention and focus, and even enhance our ability to empathize with others. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple mindfulness meditation practice that you can do anywhere, anytime. Here's how it goes. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. It could be on a chair, on the floor, or anywhere you feel comfortable. You don't have to sit in the lotus position, with your legs crossed. The important thing is to be comfortable, so sit in whatever position suits you. Close your eyes and start by taking a few deep, rhythmic, abdominal breaths. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 2, and breathe out for a count of 4. Feel your diaphragm rise and fall as your lungs fill and empty easily. As you continue this breathing pattern, begin a mental scan of your body, starting from your feet and moving up. Pay attention to each muscle group, releasing any tension you may find. Once you've scanned your entire body and feel fully relaxed, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Don't try to control it in any way. Just observe it. Notice the sensation of your breath. How does it feel as it enters and leaves your body? What does it sound like? Your mind will inevitably wander. That's okay. When you notice that your mind has wandered, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Continue this practice for a few minutes, or as long as you feel comfortable. Remember, mindfulness is not about getting rid of all your thoughts or achieving a state of eternal calm. It's about learning to be present and aware, without judgment. Before we end this video, we'd like to remind you to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you, and your interaction helps us continue to provide quality content. Thank you for joining us today at Meditation Eye. Stay tuned for more videos in this playlist, where we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of meditation for mental health. Until next time, take care and happy meditating.